Bye, guys. All right. See you guys next time.
This is it.
Guys, we'll take a hug. All right. We are almost at GoPro. Do you see right there on the right? These are little gifts for the GoPro people. Okay.
Welcome.
Welcome to GoPro, right? Oh man, halfway around the world. This is Nolan right here.
Hey, Nolan, my name's
Eric.
Nice to meet you.
Carly.
Welcome in.
Finally, pleasure to meet you after all
too.
these years.
Yeah, welcome in.
Wonderful, wonderful. Here's the headquarters of GoPro Carlsbad. Oh, boss man. All right, come on, my man.
What's up, dude?
Good seeing you.
you, man?
Nolan,
Oh, you want to give a high five?
let's go in. These are little gifts for you guys perfectly. Taiwanese snacks. So these are like kind of soft, kind of like marshmallowy texture and boba flavor.
All about that.
Yeah, and this is the traditional Taiwanese pineapple cakes. Wow. All right, Molly's gonna love it.
I know the pineapple.
UPS.
Says Johnny Lowe.
Nice. Legendary sign. All right.
This is the GoPro.
Oh, this is behind the scenes.
This is where all the live stream magic
Yep.
happens.
Lit.
Hey Johnny,
Baby lit.
you've been part of GoPro a while, but have you ever
a
been
little bit.
on a cover? Product
This guy right here.
packaging?
Humble brag. On our team. Good.
The proper ones.
This is
Even the turtle.
yeah, this is
Those
Baba.
aren't right.
Right here. Original 360. Odyssey. Look at this collection's history. Hello. Hi.
Allie.
Johnny, nice to meet you.
Nice
Oh,
to meet
out
you.
in Maine.
Yes, we've been on a bunch of emails
So
together.
yeah, many emails. Finally put a face to
Face to
it.
the-
He's been waiting for this new backpack next year for school. Yeah.
Oh, perfect.
So that's it. All right. Happy now? Happy now? Yeah. Enjoy your breakfast, Switzerland. Oh, I remember you picked me up at Switzerland, the train station.
Johnny, we have your GoPro mountain game.
Holy
official
crap!
swag.
Whoa, epic!
There's something in there that you should definitely open.
Jeez, that is so cool. Tarek. Nolan, enjoying the enjoying the snacks. San Diego Beach. GoPro guys brought us to this local hotspot, Senor Grubby.
Welcome.
All right. What's better?
Beer batter.
Beer batter?
Yeah.
You got it. We got a bunch of water. We got a bunch of drinks in the car. Yeah. Thank you. Sweet. That's our GoPro Carlsbad team. Woo! Mind blowing. Here we go.
No, that's like our go-to. Hooks it up with something like he just gives me a free.
Woo! Team Guru.
Taco Tuesday.
Taco Tuesday. You guys are missing out. Okay, now on our way back to LA. 1.5 hours. So Nolan, go to sleep.
The next day.
All right, good morning. I'm gonna try out the Chick-fil-A breakfast.
Orange, I have a name for your order.
Chicken hash brown scrambled burrito.
Chicken has a burrito, just burrito also.
Just a burrito, yeah. Got some stuff for me, Nolan, and my mom. No sauce is fine. All right, thank you. Have a good day. Let's go home and enjoy. Start the day off with some chicken and eggs. Lunchly, Mr. Beast with Prime.
游泳你去买啊。
这是爸爸小时候也喜欢吃的这个 Lunchables，自己 make pizza, pepperoni, cheese. This breakfast burrito. There's hash brown, cheese, egg, and chicken. And here's a spicy chicken biscuit. Good second breakfast. Sausage, egg, McMuffins, and oh yeah, salsa. Jalapenos. Chicken burrito 好还是
Burrito.
You like burrito? Cool. 我们改天再吃。今天来看外公、外婆、舅舅。哦，还有中文，华园。好，要拿什么东西？清理的东西。Yeah, 好。Visiting 外婆跟 uncle 那个 uncle Mark 的爸爸。妈妈。OK。Oh. Okay, so coming here, we got to pay in advance, get the ticket, put it on the dash. Oh shit! $1 an hour, not bad. 我们到了 Santa Monica Pier. Whoa, big bubbles. There we go, baby. There you go. There it is. Pacific Park.
How many?
2. Is there like child tickets or is all one price? Okay. West Coaster entrance. All right, let's go. 随便坐，来，过来。We're all visiting. Hey! Now we're going to see my other middle school friend Grace and Amaris and their kids. Our little Nolan here is a little car sick.
Car sick.
Still gotta eat something. Okay, we're almost there.
Okay.
Or more. Wow, great seeing you, Amaris. Wow, it's been ages. This is Nolan. He's a little car sick. Nolan, yeah, he's really tall. Nolan, yeah, 台湾的 snack 啊。等一下，哎 ，Nolan， 过来打招呼。
Faye and L.
Faye and L. Okay, I'm gonna have to try to remember the names.
It's one of my dogs.
Faye L. Okay. Whoa, 你最爱狗了，对吧？
I know.
Esme's dad. Okay, she'll remember later. Harper, this is a little gift for you. Okay, from Esme, just snacks.
Oh, that's so nice.
Wow,
I'm gonna go next week.
Again? 不用，没关系，因为他刚刚已经躺了好久了，一直在那边睡觉。
Sour cream broth. Chips, salsa.
All right, we got the introduction over here, Dallas. Yeah. Mexican food. That's what I miss the most.
This is like
没有吗？有没有日本名字？
我有中文名字。
你有中文？哇塞，你中文很棒。谁放屁了？刚刚？谁要承认？他放屁，真的吗？难怪闻到好臭，臭死人了。Okay, thank you. 第一手睡觉，你要干嘛？想，我之前是午睡哦，我刚刚已经听到你偷偷的在打呼哦。